So now let's talk about the markers in Matplotlib in depth. So here we can see that we have defined the x and y coordinates, and here we are plotting our data, and here we are defining x label, y label, title, and here we are showing our charts. So if I run a code, you can see here is the output. But if we want to add these circles, which are called markers, so first of all, I can pass another argument, which is called marker. And because we want to have circles, I should pass O. And remember that is small o, not capital O. So once again, if I run the code, you can see here it is, we have markers. But remember that there are different types of markers. So for example, if you pass S, it means a square. And if you run the code, you can see that the markers are in a square format. So if you want to find the list of Matplotlib markers, you can simply search for Matplotlib markers in Google, and you should click on this link. And you can see here we have the list of Matplotlib markers, and you can choose whatever you want. So for example, if you want to choose this marker, you should pass capital P. So in order to do so, let's pass that, capital P. So now if I run the code again, you can see here's the output, and our markers have changed. But suppose that we want to choose the circle marker, so I should pass O. And also we can change the marker face color, so in order to do so, I can pass another argument called MFC, and I mean marker face color, and I can pass blue in order to change the marker face color. And also we have another argument called MS, I mean marker size, which I can pass, for example, 20 in order to increase the size of our markers. So if I run a code, we can see here's the output, and as you can see, the marker face color is blue and the marker size are a little bit bigger. And also remember that you can change the marker edge color, so in order to do so, I can pass another argument called MEC, I mean marker edge color. And for example, let's suppose that I want to choose red for edge color. And also I can simply pass another argument called MEW, I mean marker edge width, which we can change the size of our edge. So for example, let's pass 5. And now if I run the code, so there it is. And as you can see, the marker edge color is red, and also the marker edge width has increased. And also, if you don't want to have any edge for your markers, you can pass none for the marker edge color. And because you don't have any edge, so you can delete this one, I mean marker edge width, because you have passed none for the marker edge color. It means that you don't want any edges for the markers. So now once again, if I run the code, you can see here's the output, and as you can see, we don't have any edges. Now I really suggest you to watch this video, which is on the screen now.